Hello people, welcome to my channel Cooking Made Easy. Today I present you Ramadan special chicken tikka biryani. A very happy Ramadan to all of you. So let's dive in and start making the recipe. To prepare the tikka, I've taken half a kg of boneless chicken, and to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 whole egg, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, some garam masala powder, chili and coriander powder 1 tablespoon, salt as per your taste, I'm adding some curd, thick curd, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, and give it a good mix. Mix it well. Let all the masalas incorporate well with the chicken. Let this marinate for about an hour or so. So to make the biryani, I've taken basmati rice 2 cups, washed it well, and soak this for about half an hour. To make the tikka, heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, drop in the marinated chicken pieces to it. Cook them well. Once they turn golden brown, take them out of the oil. So I am frying all my chicken tikka pieces in the same way and keep it aside. To make the biryani, take a heavy bottom pot, add about 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. I'm adding bay leaves, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, some fennel seeds, 2 cardamoms. Wait till they give out a good aroma. Then I'm adding 3 large finely chopped onions. Cook them well until the onions are transparent. Add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Salt as per your taste. Quarter tablespoon of turmeric powder, and give them a good mix. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone, I'm adding some mint leaves. To this I'm adding 3 large tomatoes, finely chopped. Mix them well. I'm adding a tablespoon of curd to it, chili and coriander powder, 4 green chilies. Mix them well. So this is the base gravy for biryani, so you'll have to cook them well until you see the oil oozing out of the gravy. So close it with a lid and let that cook in medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now you can see our gravy is cooked well. So to this gravy, I'm adding 3 cups of coconut milk. It's in the ratio of 1 is to 1.5, which is I used 2 cups of rice, so I'm using 3 cups of coconut milk. Check for salt and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add the soaked basmati rice. Drain it out completely without water. And give them a good mix. So cover this with a lid and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes in low sim. Our biryani is almost ready. Now I'm adding my fried tikka pieces to the biryani and mix it slowly. Cover it with a lid and cook again for about 2 to 3 minutes in low sim. Our biryani is now ready to be served with raita and boiled egg. Enjoy this Ramadan with your family and friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.